So it's a Kmart haul. Hello everybody, good morning, and it's morning time. So yeah, we are at Hungry Jack's here. We just went in, we ordered, and we are back in the car. My husband and my son are waiting there to get some brekkie for kids, and like I already had my brekkie at home, and my husband also had his brekkie at home. So yeah, today we are going to Brisbane, and I think we are going to Kangaroo Point. I hope you guys saw my Kangaroo Point blog. It's on my channel, but like today we are going there again. So it's literally open, and like we have to maintain social distancing, and like yeah, so we are going to have some fun there, and we are going to walk, I think, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys around that place. And if you guys haven't watched it, if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and I post lots of videos here on my channel. So do subscribe to my channel and follow me around on social media. Links are below in the description box. So today I'm all ready. I'm wearing my hoodie from H&M and my jeans. These jeans I got from LD, and like the girls are at the back. Say hi.
Hi.
What?
Hi.
Why are you cleaning your eyes?
Because I poked it with my
Why?
fingernail.
Oh. Are you okay? You okay? No, you crying. Oh, you crying. Okay, who's hungry?
Me.
Oh, you hungry? Yeah. So yeah, I think literally it's very busy. That's why the drive-through is really busy, and there are few people inside too. So yeah, they are taking their time in making breakfast. So it's Saturday, that's why, and I think it's gonna be a hot day. But like that place, it's like that place will be literally very cold because it's a river there. So it's Brisbane River there, I think. Yeah, so it's a long walk. Like literally that place is really good for walking and doing exercise, and like just going out with your family, and uh, to have picnic and like these kinds of stuff, I think. Yeah, I literally forgot about it now, but like I will go and see, and I'm going to show you guys around too. So yeah, keep on watching. guys, I'm home now, and like literally the trip was good. We went for a long walk, and I have showed you guys earlier. The view is amazing over there, and like literally it was full. Like there were so many people around that place, and like it was a little bit hot, so we came back, and like we went halfway, but then we came back. So yeah, as you saw, and like then we decided we should go to Kmart to buy some shoes, so especially some sport shoes. So yeah, I got some stuffs here, and now I forgot what it is. So I got two bags, so it's a Kmart haul. Okay, so let's begin. And like literally it's getting dark outside, and like I think it's gonna be raining soon, and my clothes is outside. I think you and Papa should go and get the clothes from outside. Look, it will rain soon, I think. So yeah, let's begin. And first thing I got is shoes. Like I think this is a runners. uh it's just like this. And literally I love walking, so I got this. Was $20, and I got for only $10. And literally I love, it's a cushioned in sock, so it's cushioned inside, so it's very soft and comfy. So yeah, it was only $10, that's why I got it. And like it was on sale. So the second shoe I got is this one. Like literally I love it. Like it fits me so well. Like I'm size 9, and it fits me literally so well. I love it. And like I think it's kind of leather.
Yes.
Yeah, it's leather. I think I got two of these, one in color brown and one in black, I think so. Okay, yeah, I got another one in the color black. I think this shoes is literally good for winter season. So yeah, I got one in color black. Everything is same. And the next shoes I got is, okay, let's see, this one I got for Eliza, my daughter, elder daughter. You guys know, if you are new here, then like I've got 3 kids, and like you guys must have seen them in my blogs. So yeah, so this one, it was $20, then it went down to $12, and then I only got for $6. Like literally it looks so good. And I think it fits her really well. And this one is in size 7. What I'm saying, 7. Okay, I got another shoes, and literally this was not on sale, I think. Okay, this one was $25, and it went down to $10. Yeah, and literally I love this. And I didn't even try this, so like I just saw it's size 9. I think it's size 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 9. I hope you guys can see it properly. So it has this design here, and like literally I love it. And like I got one in black, I think, but I think in different uh design, I don't know, but like let's see. Okay, oh, I think I just got one white. I'm not sure now.
I need to put it back.
Oh,
But I
okay, I got one of these sports shoes for my son. Like literally Kmart's shoes are really good. So yeah, especially their sports shoes and other shoes too. So I don't go by brand, like I go by what they do. Like when you walk, it's very comfy, that's why I buy. So yeah, these sports shoes are really good, and like I love this design. And yeah, this is just a men's sports shoes. And also I got one shoe for my girl Eliza again. I wanted to buy one for Isha, and then like she tried so many but none of it fit her. So yeah, that's why like this one is in size 8. Again, a sports shoes. And Eliza loves white a lot, just like me. And Isha loves black a lot.
Because that's the only color that suits my skin. Yes.
No, every color suits you. I thought, okay, it's size 9. Okay, it might fit me, so I got it.
Is that women's or men's?
It's a woman's.
Oh, really?
Looks awesome. I love it. And I think the last thing we got from Kmart is a pants, and like I think my husband got this for himself, and like it's just a workout pants.
Oh, that.
Yeah, size large or medium. Large, I think large. Okay, it's just a workout pants. So it has the zip here, as you can see here. Like, I hope the camera is focusing. And like it's black. Okay. This is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my this week's vlog. And like literally I didn't had much to film, but like whatever I thought is good I filmed. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you do, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share my videos with your families and friends. And yeah, I hope you guys loved watching my organizing videos too. And also like there are lots of videos coming up, and like literally I'm trying to make this beauty room look perfect. But yeah, I was going to buy some more trees, other stuffs today, but like literally when I'm around with my husband and my son, like literally they confuse me a lot. So that's why I thought, okay, next time only I will go with my girls so that we can go around and have a look. Because like whenever I go inside the shop, my husband is gone.
He just goes like to the sale section and goes to pick up
Yeah,
clothes.
he goes to men's section, and like I have to find him. And like my son is lost too, so yeah, only I'm around with my girls. So next time I will only go with my girls so that we can buy all the girly stuffs, like yeah. So yeah, this is it. And like we will be enjoying our afternoon, and we just had some coffee and some snacks like nuts.
I don't even look 12. I look 8 younger.
Yeah, you're my baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like more of these kinds of vlogs are coming up, and we are going to enjoy our evening today. It's Saturday. Oh my god, what am I saying? Okay, yeah. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy, take care. Bye.
Bye. You have to subscribe right now.